Hi everyone, I am George. Welcome to the Chevron STEM Zone at 2016 Natural Valley First Tea Open. There are a lot of fun things to do here, like the biofeedback exhibit. Measure how fast or slow our reaction time is by catching a stick as it begins to fall. Your brain sends a signal to your hand, and if you're fast, the stick won't fall far. All I gotta say is I must be a ninja, whether you play golf or any other sport. The Chevron STEM Zone is an awesome way to learn about science, technology, engineering, and math. Thanks, Chevron.